Okay, Mauricio, what are we making today?
It's not really a name for them. I would say churro-inspired French toast stick. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll see how it tastes soon.
So, we've gotten some over here. I guess people can see our lovely home. Normal Safeway bread, white bread. We got some Safeway brand white bread. Very simple. I didn't go for wheat. I was like, I'll go for white bread. So white bread if you want to get butter on top.
It says no high fructose corn syrup.
And then you get a roller pin, and you just roll the hell out of it, and it becomes like a really flat, well, not like a crepe, but yeah, sure, I guess kind of like a crepe. And so then you just place it there. If you want to be super OCD like me, there we go. Now it looks a little bit more perfect. You go ahead and dice some strawberries, finely dice them. Get some Nutella.
Look how neat you are. You actually separated them.
Yeah, because I want to know how much I want to use for each one. There you go. You just get a little dollop, and you just go ahead and lather it. Make a thin enough. Well, you can put as much as you want, honestly. If you really love chocolate, go for it. That's fine. I just do it more so as a glue, so when you roll it up, it'll actually stick together. But it's a good, nice, healthy coating of chocolate. You can choose anything else. You can choose if you want thicker kind of chocolate, use some heavy cream, get some semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can make your own kind of like spread. But honestly, if you just want a quick snack, this counts.
Yeah. The Nutella is the way to go. Everybody loves Nutella, right?
You should probably edit it like a lot.
Yeah.
Or like,
I will edit it.
Like not even how I'm talking. It's just like edit like fast cuts. Okay, so here we go.
Oh. I want to keep your commentary.
That's fine. There we go. So you just go ahead and grab some strawberries. I just literally did, it's one strawberry each. This was a big fat strawberry. I'm gonna grab this. I'm not getting everything correctly. I know you're supposed to put it on the knife, but this knife is too small. So I go ahead and just put it gently on the roll on one side. Just don't put too many strawberries because you won't be able to close it. But you know what? You do you. You want to put a load of strawberries? Go for it. More power to you. Then just gently roll it up. Ways of doing it. Sometimes these do fall apart. So just roll it all the way to the edge and then just use this edge and chocolate as a glue. There we go. If you want more stability, you can sort of like close it. Just trying to destroy it, sort of pinch the edges, separate everything in. You can just honestly leave it open, but I like to close it up so it just won't spill out when it's cooking. That's it. Okay, we can
And repeat the process.
We're gonna melt some butter, and we're gonna place these, but we have to put these in an egg wash. So I'm gonna grab an egg. We don't have a whisk, or we do, but
chopsticks are just as good, or forks.
Fork. We're just gonna have an egg wash. So what we're gonna do is just use this and coat these little puppies into the egg. So.
Butter's melty.
Butter. Now we're gonna go ahead and coat these like you would for French toast. Wow. I'm gonna do 2 at a time, just to make it simpler. All right, so we're gonna let them brown one side, and then we're gonna sort of flip it, depending how crunchy you really want them. It's totally your preference. And we're gonna go ahead and, waiting for that, we need to ration off some sugar. You're gonna get some white sugar, brown sugar, and some cinnamon. Equal parts, put however much you want. I'm just gonna put half a tablespoon and just put it on a plate, mix it up, and then once these are done, just put them on this, or flip it around, put some sugar on it, and then top it off with some powdered sugar. Okay. That's what happens when you're in the kitchen. Okay, that's a lot more than a teaspoon. Let me go ahead and flip these things over. We want them to burn.
Nice brown top.
Okay, I don't want to be careful because I don't want them to burn, but I don't want them to come apart.
Yeah, that's why I lowered the heat a little bit.
Oh, thank you.
Cinnamon.
Okay, and then you just literally just mix it all together.
Yummy, yum, yum.
So 1 egg is good for maybe 4 to 5 of these. Not too much excess egg.
Oh.
All things are good when they sizzle.
Like you. He's Mr. Sizzle.
My girlfriend's a cannibal. You have it on video.
Yeah.
Smells pretty good. Yeah, this isn't life-changing. This is just a quick snack dessert.
Still looks delicious.
And you can use whatever you want. You can use grapeseed oil. You can use other kind of things. Putting the bends on. But any other kind of oil is fine. But honestly, butter is just good for most desserts. Unsalted butter. It's a good taste. I know it burns kind of easily, but hey, it tastes good. Vegetable oil is good.
It tastes a lot better than vegetable oil.
Yeah, but it's not always the best.
Oh, I know. You can use ghee. Clarified butter. Ooh,
Okay.
yeah. I have ghee on the shelf, actually.
Oh, I squished it too hard.
Oh, no, it broke.
Yeah.
Oh, well. The others are nice and pretty.
Fine, I'll do this. Record that.
Yeah.
Did you know Prego actually makes brown sugar?
Okay, now people know I'm weird. And
That's one. That's two. Super burnt. Not super burnt, but just cooked well enough. Really crispy. And we are going to go ahead and dip them in the sugar. There isn't that much sugar. Let me add some more sugar. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these back, on a different plate. Let's put it on a more presentable plate.
ooh, yum, 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 yum. Can't wait. The camera's shaking because I'm jumping.
It should stick for the most part. I mean, it has some egg on it a little bit. Typically better the warmer it is, but this kind of looks like a churro already. No such thing as too little. And look at that chocolate trying to come out. Look at that delicious chocolate. It's weird.
Can't go wrong with Nutella.
Ooh, this one's kind of hot. That's it. You just coat them in some sugar. Great for the kids if you want to get their hands dirty.
Ta-da! Wow, look at that.
So there's some nice chocolatey goodness in there with some strawberry. But if you want to be extra fancy, it doesn't just stop there. And just like French toast, nice powdered sugar on top. You just want a tiny amount of powdered sugar.
Just a tiny amount. Overload with snows of sugar.
Put it a little bit on the plate. Nice crunch. Some of the chocolate came out.
Yum, yum, yum.
Let's have you try.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and try it.
Those my glasses.
All that powdered sugar might be kind of hot. Is it so good that you're choking on how good it is? Oh.
It's all melting and gooey.
How would you rate that dessert? How many churros out of 10?
Oh, I rated 8 out of 10 churros.
Is it hot?
Be careful about choking on the powdered sugar. What's your opinion?
Nice snack. Not too heavy. Yeah, it has sugar. It looks like it has a lot of sugar, but it's really not. Compared to most conventional desserts you might just buy from the store. It's very little, thin layer of bread. Literally, just bread. It's like crepe.
Yeah, I think the bread actually works out because it's not sweet. And so it helps cut down the sugar. It's very light.
It could be a good breakfast. Or you just make French toast yourself. Honestly, but when you're on a budget, get that bread out of the pantry and just make it yourself.
It's presentable too. So how would you rate it? I said 8 out of 10. What's your verdict?
Out of churro, honestly, you can't beat an actual deep fried churro.
Yeah.
I give this like a 7 out of 10.
A 7.
As a breakfast snack, and because of taste alone is one thing, but simplicity and the fact that we just made it at home was really fun to make. It just took a few minutes. Convenience wise, 10 out of 10. Super easy to make.
Actually, kind of looks like a cannoli, but not really.
Hey.
Oh.
Well, then there's no longer to consider a churro.
Yeah, no, churro, exactly.
Really crispy, really deep fried. So bad for you.
But so good. Anything deep fried tastes good, huh? Okay, this is a very long video.
Make sure your strawberries are very dry. When you cut them, obviously wash them, but pat dry them a lot. They also have juice in there, but it's gonna leak out. Still good.
Still tastes good, yeah.
Okay, what's yours?
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.